What up, YouTubers? It's Matthew Vick with Sonoma Strong Hauling, and it's a rainy one today, and we're heading out. We're out here in California, and we got some hauling and balling gear coming out, guys. So if you guys like these t-shirts, leave a comment down below, and here are the t-shirts. Now I'm on my way to pick up baby Jesus. We're heading on out, and we're gonna show you how to stack bread, guys. So stay tuned. Look at this dude's cup. Are you serious right now? Show him the cup.
What? You are the biggest baby ever, dude.
All of them were wrong. Love it. So yeah, we're heading on out, guys, after about 30 minutes waiting for him out front. More like 2 minutes.
Good morning.
Good morning. How you doing?
I'm tired.
You tired?
Yeah, take me home.
Video games all night?
No.
No? So 2020 is right around the corner, guys. Make sure you guys set some goals. That's what I like to do. I like to set goals and achieve them and blow past them. So make sure you guys are setting goals. Say if it's for next year, you guys want to make over $300,000 gross, set that goal. If you guys want to make $5 grand in one day because your best paying day is $4,500, set that goal higher, guys. Make sure you guys set goals. If you guys want to add another vehicle to your fleet, do that. Set goals, guys. That's a must. Don't just wake up and go work. Wake up and just try to be better than the day before. So keep that in mind, guys. Make sure you guys are setting goals. I got my goals on my refrigerator. I'll put 5 important goals I want to do, and I'll just try to achieve those. Last year I already did it for this year, and I did it way early, guys. So make sure you guys set some goals. Look at the size of these houses, guys. We are in a nice neighborhood. Oh yeah, wow. So we are at the first job of the day, guys. And this customer is kind of being cheap on the phone. And look where he lives at, guys. Look at the area. I don't think money's an issue, but you know what? He was being cheap. So let's see if we get this job. Look at the
Piojos. Piojos.
whatever that means.
It means cheap ass in Spanish.
Does it mean what?
Cheap ass.
Oh wow. Yes. 2 toilets like this, guys.
Oh look, sweater.
Easy money. So these toilets are not new, guys. Just so you know, they put the old ones back in these new boxes. So yeah, we got the job. So first job is complete. Easy little pickup. And we're heading to the next job. So tip of the day from the baby Jesus.
This is the first tip of the day. When you're dealing with piojos, which is cheap asses, for every item they add $10.
Oh yeah, so we're heading to the next job, guys. So stay tuned. We're about to unload this into the little trailer real quick and then head on out to Guerneville, California. A repeat customer. Oh yeah.
Job number 2.
So we are at the next job, guys. And it's a repeat customer. It's this stuff right here. This tarp needs to come down. And there's a little thing in the backyard that needs to be cut up or broke down, a little chicken coop. So yeah, job number 2. It said leave the tarp. Nice. So yeah, we're at job number 2, guys. About to get it done. Have you guys ever seen a Mexican Robin Hood?
I'm an Aztec warrior.
So yeah, we're about to get this job done, guys. And yeah, it's gonna be fun. Hopefully we get it done before the rain. Look at this. Look at that gutter job, dude. Are you serious? Wow. That's pretty damn professional, I would say. Did you do that?
That's how you do it, bro.
Oh, yeah. So whenever the loads are heavier, guys, we always charge more money. I know a lot of guys do it per load, a set price. We don't though. If it's a heavier load, we charge more cash, guys. This thing, we'll definitely recycle this bad boy. And yeah, look at the baby Jesus.
Number 2 tip of the day. They add an item, add $10.
You said that earlier, dude.
Oh, crap, I did?
Yeah.
My bad.
Tip of the day from the Mexican, guys. Getting it done. So it's all about upselling, guys. She wants this little ghetto-ass tweaker fence gone. And yeah, and this big old tarp gone.
Well, you would know about tweaker, right?
What'd you say to me, dude?
What?
I don't like tweaker stuff, deep. So yeah, we're about to get this done, guys. So yeah, it's pretty ghetto. Look at that. So that's how we just upselled it. We're gonna tear that all down and make it look pretty. So I asked baby Jesus for a pry bar. He brought me a tiny one, guys. Look at that. That's a no bueno. How you say no bueno? Does that mean no good?
Yeah.
It's a no bueno, guys. We need a real pry bar. Here we go. Let's get it done. The baby Jesus. Second tip of the day, guys. Always be careful when you're working with rain. You all right? Dude, are you all right?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
I landed on something.
Look at that. Big boy done fell down. So I know what you guys are thinking. Oh, Matt's an asshole. I'll make sure he's all right. You all right, sir?
No, he's right. You're an asshole.
I'm an asshole? The baby Jesus is all right, guys. But tip of the day, be careful in the rain.
Oh, here, Mexican tip of the day, number 3. Fake an injury so you can get paid more.
That's a good tip. I like it. So we're almost loaded up, guys. So about 20 minutes later, 25 minutes later, house is looking a lot better now, guys. Not so trap spottish. Yeah, I said it, trap spottish. Other words, crack house. So yeah, there's a little bit more in the backyard we're gonna grab, and that's it for today. At this job, guys. Oh yeah. So the baby Jesus bought a donut for his wife earlier today, and guess what happened? He's eating that bad boy.
I'm hungry.
I ain't hungry in the morning. I don't eat in the morning.
That was in the morning. Now it's like
Dude,
mid-morning.
Still morning, dude. So we're also grabbing all this wood right here, guys.
Grab the wood.
Oh yeah. And then there's a chicken coop over there we gotta grab, but that'll be for another day. So job is complete. About 45 minutes later, guys, we got a full load. And yes, that is a full load right there. That's how you guys do it. And the baby Jesus said that he's what? What are you now?
What?
You said you're what?
Cookies.
You hear him back there? He said cookies. He wants cookies, guys. So yeah, we're just getting it done out here. El Luncho. Oh yeah.
There we go. Nobody in the dump line.
Nobody in the dump line today.
Nobody in the dump line.
That's what I'm talking about. We getting money.
Rain, shine, or snow.
Prediction of the dump fee.
Prediction of the dump fee. Wait.
I see him.
$120.
I said 131. See what happens. It is raining out here, guys. It is raining. And it was 143. I won.
Cheated.
Oh yeah.
Cheated.
Now we're heading on out, guys.
He cheated. I'll just say that.
So it is pretty much coming down pretty good out here today, and
It's been raining for days.
raining for days. So we're done for the day. It was a short day.
Yeah,
I didn't torture this guy too bad today. He fell down,
I did.
but he's all right.
I'm gonna see you.
You guys hear that? So you never know whenever you hire someone, guys. Be careful.
So I just want to put out there, we got some merch coming out.
It's not out yet, but these are the
It's
t-shirts.
gonna come out to t-shirts. So you know, look into that. Hollin' and ballin' for life. So this is a lifestyle. It's not just a living.
So yeah, hit that like and subscribe button, guys. And if you ever have any questions, leave a comment down below. I hope you guys are staying busy, and hit that like and subscribe button.
Wait for that merch.
It's coming soon, guys.
Like and like.
Oh yeah.
Destroy that like button. Just kidding. Bye. All right, you dropping
Hey,
me
no,
off?
no. Hop out while I'm driving, dude. Fuck that.
Tuck and roll, Grandma. Tuck and roll.